The GPT-4 has just been released. Here are top things you should know about it. The first one is this GPT-4 is multimodal, which means it accepts images as inputs and it can use it to generate captions and analysis. It can even make some inferences based on the type of image that you provide to it. For example, if you can provide an image of ingredients, it can give you a hint or an idea into what you can use those ingredients for. You can use it for cooking, for example, or you can randomly select any image and it's going to give you a total analysis and even make some inferences from that image. Now, another thing you should know is that GPT-4 scores 90th percentile on the bar exams, which means it has surpassed all other GPTs, especially the ChatGPT. It scored 99th percentile with Vision on Biology Olympiad, and its reasoning capabilities are far more advanced than the ChatGPT. Okay, another thing you should even know that is even much more scary is that the GPT-4 now can take up to 25,000 words at a time within one prompt. It can take up to 25,000 words, which means it's now possible for you to have all your medical report in one document and put it into GPT-4, and it's going to give you a complete analysis of it, what it's involved, what is it, and some of the key nitty-gritties that you need to pay attention to that you've recorded over time, that I think literally no human brain can hold those kind of information for that long. 25,000 words. If there are, it's just going to be very few. So this is a next level invention. And another application we can see that lawyers can gather all the case files into one file and just dump it into GPT-4, and it's going to give you a total analysis of whatever is contained in those files with just a single click. So this is extremely amazing and is incredibly insane in the AI industry. This is a major hit. Another discovery was that GPT-4 does drug discovery. Just give it currently available drug and it can find compounds with similar properties, modify them to make sure they are not patented, and purchase them for a supplier, even including sending an email with a purchase order. This GPT-4 can do for you exceptionally. Another example is Brian Shi gave it a try to test out the drug predicting capability, and he said, I need to take anti-malaria for a trip. So I asked it if it could give me a variant on the drug atavacone. Okay, so look at what it gave. This is the structure, okay, from the prompt it gave it, and then this is what it gave it. And I think this is incredibly insane. Another top thing you should know about this GPT-4 is that it can transform hand sketch of a mockup into a workable website. Take a look at this video. It transformed a hand mockup into a working website. Now, another one is that I found incredibly amazing is the use of the GPT-4 to write game codes. Okay, so Amar Rishi just tweeted that he has used the GPT-4 to code an entire game for himself, and take a look at what happens. Take a look at the results, the code, and how it runs, and the code it generated, and then how he runs it. Look at the score, very high score, and then look at the test of the game that he's just created with the GPT-4. Now, another amazing thing that is peculiar to this GPT-4 is that it's now more creative and collaborative, in that it is generating, you can generate, edit, and iterate with users on writing tasks. You can collaborate with others on writing tasks just with this GPT-4. That's a major upgrade. And the last one that I noticed for today is that there's already many partners testing out GPT-4, including Duolingo, Be My Eyes, Stripe, Morgan Stanley, and Khan Academy, and even the government of the Iceland. I think this is going to be another thing entirely. So this is GPT-4. What can you imagine by the time we get to GPT-10? We are going to see a massive transformation. So I think for today, these are some of the key things I feel like I should share with you that I find extremely amazing with just the little advent of the GPT-4. People are using it to do mind-blowing things. So just pay attention to some of the key findings and try to see how you can make it relevant also in your own industry, because this technology is here to stay. So learn to work with it and be safe in the future. So thank you for being with me to this point. So I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Goodbye.